Hello everyone, I am Halil Ugur. Today I am excited to share our repair booking project. Our goal is to make booking car repairs easy. We want to get rid of the old way of making appointments, like calling or going in person. In our system, we use Java, Spring Boot, and Angular. Java language helped us create solid font. In our system, we use Java, Spring Boot, and Angular. Java language helped us create solid foundations, and Spring Boot made it quick to develop powerful applications without needing complex setups. Angular, which is made by Google and helped us build interactive web pages. Then we needed a database to manage our data, and therefore we used a strong database that is PostgreSQL. This database is great for handling lots of different types of data. We also use Docker, a tool that helps applications run smoothly across different computers. It's like packaging glass plates neatly in a box so they are easy to move around. Lastly, we deploy our application on Amazon Web Services and make it accessible remotely. If you wish, you can access and test the application over this link. Now we can pass to test process. Here is our direction to follow. We will test how the system works, how it looks, and if the data is right or not right. We will use different situations to see how it handles them. We made a list of tests and do them step by step. It's our application, and let's visit other pages. First, register page, home page, about page, and services page. Let's turn back register page. I'm going to register on my application. I give my information here. Just testing restriction of phone number. It's not working for now. Let's put in my email address. Now I can put my password. Here has a few restrictions. We can see not while space, other special character, some that. Now we can access customer panel. Here we can see our customer panel, and there is no any booking because we didn't make any reservation. Now we can log out to customer panel and make an appointment. On services pages, we can see here a make appointment, or we can go to the home page and click make appointment button. Before moving, there is a problem with re-registering when a registered person tries to create an appointment. The solution to this can be taken care of on the front end. We will fix it after this presentation. Let's continue to make a booking with a new registration. We can select an hour and minutes, click the next button. Here we need to fill in all information or to vehicle's owner information. Passwords, email, and others. Also, we need to fill in all car information and description of what is the problem with the car. Then click the next. Here we need to fill vehicle license. Next, select a type of service for booking. Click next. The last step is the provide show us a summary of the booking. After that, we click the make appointment button and are done. Now we can log in as a customer to access the booking that we made. Here's a panel we can access here. Here's a list of booking page. We can see the current status of the booking. We can still change a few booking details. Our customer can visit bookings and change details. Let's continue to see the same page by an employee. Now we can log in as an employee. Username is mechanic1 and password. I copied the password from the developer tool. Here I pasted login. Now we can access the panel. Here we can see all of bookings and some information. Also we can access the booking detail, a booking detail. Now we need to set a mechanic. If not set, we can get alerts. Let's set one, and now we can move other statuses. We can move direct complete because we need to create a result by admin. And when we cancel the booking, we can't move other statuses because we finished the process of the booking. Now we can log out. We can create an appointment that way, but it will take time to make a new reservation. From the beginning, since it's all I show right now, so I will use the endpoint to make a new appointment. First, we're going to open the endpoint by Swagger. After that, we need example data to create an appointment. For that, we open a new tab and write macaro.com. Here we can see our example data. And when we click the preview, copy one data from here and paste the Swagger and click the execute. After that, we have a appointment. Now we can log in and a customer to see our appointment. Here my mail and also password there. Now we can access the panel and we can see my appointment. Now we log in as employee to add some part to vehicle and see detail. Here our passwords and go to panel. Now we can see cancelled and book it status. We can click book it, set a mechanic. Now we can go to service and add some parts to booking. Here I selected a few parts. Before completed, I want to show a filter by fields, and we can see our part details here. Now we can move the fixed status. We can see the result, create result because the admin can create result. Now we can log in as admin. Here you can see a lot of statistics about the system. You can also use the buttons at the bottom for quick access to other pages. Here our bookings, click the fix it, and It's unnecessary to know that the status will not change after clicking the collection button. A warning window could show the customer, but there was no time to add. Now we need new appointment. Let's create new one. Now I create it. Turn back bookings. Here we book it and click the detail before set mechanic. After that, in salary, we need to add some parts. After change the fixed, create new receipt for the customer. And here we've seen some detail of invoice, some client information, vehicle information, and payment details. After that, we click the print. When we print it, we change the booking status as completed. And when we go to the tail of invoice, we can see unpaid. Now we can go to completed booking, and when we we can create new result, but we don't need for now, and let's set collected. Now we can see as paid. Let's quick visit other pages. Here is the first one is vehicles. We can view the vehicles page and find the desired vehicle by filtering it. Let's play with filters. First one is car type, other one make, and other one is year. Next one is the employees page. This page has some functionalities like add, edit, delete, and visit detail. First one, we can go edit page and view some information of employee. Here we can see active, disabled, and role, and other information. We can also visit detail and employee. We can delete an employee on our system. Before delete, we can add new one and delete it. Let's fill the new employee information here. It's a phone number, email, and password, and employee's address. Let's add. Now we can see this employee and we can delete it or edit. Here and delete it. The next page is customer page. This page just shows us the list of the customers and access to the detail of customers. Also, we can filter by fields. But filter's not working for now, just we need more time to fix it. Parts and services pages are same as employees pages functionalities. You can delete, add, update, and visit detail. Here we can filter by fields. As car, you can see, and we can delete items, also update. Let's see, we updated. Now services page, it's same. We can add, let's add new one. Price and description. Now we add it. Also, we can visit the tail and delete the service. Here is deleted. We had talked about the result page, and now we can move on the calendar. A large calendar has been created on this page to show a summary of the current month. Here our status on the top side, and we can see other bookings detail to model page. And also we can go to create a roster to roster page. Here click the a date, and there's no anyone to work. Let's change the date. Here it's Megan working on that day. So let's create roster and turn back to calendar. So here we can talk about all our project that's done, and we can say that we finished the project for now. I believe that you would like the application and presentation. Thank you for your time.